Welcome back to another video from John Cleese Cardio. My name is Max and this is a brief walk around a Mazda 6 2011 2012 year. This vehicle, we've just upgraded the head unit to a Kenwood DMX8021DABS system. This is a wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. It's already hooked up to the customer's phone, who is just right behind me. But this head unit offers much nicer experience for using your phone while driving. Things like maps, so you've got Waze as an option, Google Maps, you have Apple Maps, there's other apps like TomTom Go navigation, if you want an application where you can download offline maps. This particular car comes spec'd with the steering wheel controls. We can keep the volume and the skipping tracks working and the mode. And it also has the Bose audio system. So the Bose audio system is also retained in this with this new head unit. Head unit also has a HDMI, so you could, if you're into watching TV in the car, you could add a HDMI into the glove box. On this particular customer, he's got a USB which would have fitted into the center console. And we've also connected up the aux lead for him. And yeah, just they're very nice, popular head units. DAB radio, there's a little DAB aerial just on the side there, which you can see. And also there's a little microphone, and our microphone, it's a bit hard to pick up in this lighting, but it's just a small microphone just in the top there, like we show you in all our other videos. But just a brief walk around the head unit. This is sort of the home screen to it. You got the AV in, which is going to use for his aux, digital radio for picking up all the DAB radio stations. Presets can save down the side here. You can use these arrows to slide out your presets, so nice and easy to use your DAB. Hit this search icon to search your stations, and here we have quite a comprehensive list of DAB stations. Saving it is easy as selecting it and finding a preset to save it in, and you would just hold it down for a second and it will beep. That's kind of your DAB. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will work through here. This is the Android Auto. Brief look at the Android Auto. This is your maps. Different few shortcuts depending on what you're more frequently using. Google Voice shortcut, which is great for sending messages, making calls, setting reminders and alarms and things like that. It's a bit of a split screen to show you a bit of music and Android Auto info. And this will take you to the different apps that are available for this customer and what he's got on his phone. But we can add reverse cameras to these head units, or front cameras if that was something you were into as well. But just an all-round great head unit, good sound quality, plenty of control, customizable as well. And yeah, that's it. Wrapping this video up here. Thanks for watching this brief video. My name's Max from John Cleese. If you've got a Mazda 6 or any other car for that matter, get in contact with us and we can create a solution for you. Thanks for watching.